Next, given below are the steps of construction of two tangents to a circle without using center of the circle of the radius 4 from the point P. Which of the following steps are incorrect? Here, important point to note is this protractor, this is called as protractor, this is not allowed, and this compass, that is allowed always. So let's start. Draw a circle of radius 4 and take a point P outside the circle and draw a secant PAB intersecting the circle at A and B. Now, what is a secant? Secant is of a curve is a line that intersects the curve at minimum two distinct points. Right? See here, this is a smaller circle we have drawn. Then from point P we have drawn a secant AB. Secant is actually a Latin word. Secant means to cut in Latin. Okay, so it cuts the circle in 2 points A and B. Okay, so step number 1 is done. Produce AP to C such that AP equals to CP. Draw a semicircle with CB as a diameter. See this PAB will produce it on the other side such that PC equals to PA. This length is equal. Okay. Now after this, what we'll do is we have to draw a semicircle with this C and B as the ends. So how to draw it? See here, you can't use anything else, only your compass. So put the compass one point on this side and draw an arc. Then other point on this side, draw an arc and this point similarly on the other side and draw this. Now you get this as a center, this point. Okay. Now put the this point on this and draw an arc like this. Use only semicircle. This other part you can discard it. Okay. Step number 3. Draw PD perpendicular to CB intersecting the semicircle at D. Okay. See this PD perpendicular to this AB. Okay, and it intersects it at D. How to draw this? It's not that easy. See here, you have to put a compass point on this and draw a semicircle over here. From these 2 points which cut this line, again draw 2 arcs and then join this point to this cutting of where the arcs intersect and then intersect. This will be perpendicular. Mark it to the semicircle. Okay, it's not that easy. Next, with P as a center and PC as a radius, draw arcs to intersect the given circle at T and T dash. Now see this, with P as a center and PC as a radius, if you draw a circle, AP equals to PC, so it will touch this circle at this point AP and somewhere over here. So can tangents be drawn at any cost to this circle, because main circle is this? It can't be drawn, right? So therefore this step is wrong. It should be with P as a center and PD as a radius, and then you cut these circles, then it forms. So the correct step 3 is draw PD perpendicular to CB, that's okay, intersecting the semicircle at D with P as a center and PD as a radius. This is the correct step, not PC as a radius. Okay. So step 3 is wrong. Okay. Download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get his videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for them. Sync behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn